Here we are, my first Nature Coast Breakfast Club.
Hey, great. I picked up a paper for you.
At Sam's. Oh, motoring. Oh, yes, excellent. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome, you're welcome. Was there, and they sent me a thing saying the guy was there. What happened to his big league?